Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is variable in Julia programming language. Julia is a dynamic programming language. Then it means we don't need to declare the type of the variable. Okay, let me show you some of the examples. A equals 5. Here we can directly assign the value 5 to the variable a. Okay, then I am going to show you the type of that variable a using the keyword type of. Okay, type is int 64. Here I am using the 64-bit OS because it shows int 64. If you are using 32-bit OS, then it will show you the int 32. Okay, now I am going to another examples. Is string hi. Okay, then I am going to show you the type of that variable is okay, it's a string, and we can use the Unicode character as a variable name. Okay, for typing the Unicode characters, first type the backslash, then type delta, then press the key tab key. In this way we can type the Unicode characters equals 10. Okay, in Julia programming language we can use the Unicode characters as a variable name, and also in Julia it has predefined constants. For example, pi, it already know the values of pi 3.1415 etc., and we can also redefine the built-in constants. Okay, we can assign a variable to that predefined constant equals 8. Okay, it will show you some of the warnings. Pi have the value 8. Okay, you get the variable in Julia programming language. If you like my video, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.